Good morning. I am Fahim Iqbal. Today I am start numerical method for BCA 4th semester. Name of the topic difference table. Mainly there are the three types of difference table exist in interpolation. First difference table is called forward difference table. Second one is called backward difference table, and the third one is called central difference table. These three difference table represent, define with the help of symbolic notation. Forward difference table is represent capital delta. This is the symbol. Forward difference, backward difference, and small delta is represent central difference. Mainly there are the three types of difference table. One is the forward difference table, another one is the backward difference table, and the third one is the central difference table. These difference tables is representing with the help of notation. Forward is representing capital delta, backward is representing opposite delta, and central is representing a small delta. With the help of this representation to construct the forward difference table first. Forward difference table. In this table, the two column is given in the question paper into the form of X and Y. The first column name is called X, another column name is called Y. The value of the X is given into the form of X0, corresponding value is Y0, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, and so on. This two column is already given in the question paper, the value of X and Y. The first value is called X0, corresponding value is Y0, X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, and so on. Now find out the first difference. We are representing the capital delta is power 1. First difference of Y. First difference of Y. Difference means subtraction. To subtract Y1 minus Y0 and representing delta Y0 is equal to Y1 minus Y0. How to find out the forward difference table? Difference of Y1 subtract to Y0, and we are representing capital delta Y0 is equal to Y1 minus Y0. Now come to the another value to find Y2 minus Y1, capital delta Y1 is equal to Y2 minus Y1. Now come to this delta Y2 is equal to Y3 minus Y2, and so on. If the value is n, delta Yn minus 1, n is equal to delta Yn plus 1 minus Yn. Now in this way we are representing the first difference. Now come to the second difference of this delta y. Now represent the second difference with power delta square, capital delta square y, to subtract delta y1 minus delta y0, and we are representing delta square y0 is equal to delta y1 minus delta y0. Now come to this another value to find out the difference. Delta y1 is equal to, delta square y1 is equal to delta y2 minus delta y1, and so on. Now come to the third difference, delta q y, delta q y, delta qy0 is equal to delta square y1 minus delta square y0. Now this table is called forward difference table. Forward difference table. Now come to the backward difference table. In the backward difference table, the value of the table after finding the subtraction of these value, difference of these value, is same, only to change the operator. The value of the difference is never changed. Why? The position of the subtraction is remains same. Then the value will be not changed. Value नहीं बदलेगा, इसलिए नहीं बदलेगा क्योंकि जो difference है, जो subtraction हो रहा है, उसका position वहीं पे होगा. y1 minus y0 is also lies in backward. Now come to the backward. Which operator to represent? Just opposite delta. Backward difference. Now we are represent opposite delta y. Opposite delta y1 is equal to y1 minus y0. फॉरवर्ड में भी सेम था y1 माइनस y0, मगर बैकवर्ड में क्या डिफरेंस है? अगर ये फॉरवर्ड होता तो ये होता कैपिटल डेल्टा y0, मगर ये बैकवर्ड है. नाउ वी आर रिप्रेजेंट बैकवर्ड डेल्टा y1, एंड नाउ द सेकेंड वैल्यू डेल्टा y2 इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1. अपोजिट डेल्टा y3 इज इक्वल टू y3 माइनस y2. Now come to the second difference, delta opposite delta y square. Opposite delta y2 is equal to delta y2 minus delta y1. Opposite delta square y3 is equal to delta y3 minus opposite delta y2. Now come to the third difference, delta opposite delta qy. Opposite delta qy3 is equal to delta square y3 minus delta square y2. So one thing is very important in these two difference table. We are only change the operator, but the value of the table in backward and forward difference is remain same. Why remains same? Because the position of the subtraction is never changed. Only one thing is changed, is the operator, and the backward and forward operator to change the value. Now come to the next difference, is last difference table is called central difference table. Now come to the central difference table. We are representing the central difference table with the help of the symbol small delta. Small delta. Central difference table, small delta y. Again remains same, small delta y. 1 by 2 is equal to y1 minus y0. small delta y 3 by 2 is equal to y2 minus y1. Small delta y 5 by 2 is equal to y3 minus y2. But how to write down 1 by 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2? The formula is a small delta y n minus 1 by 2. Where is the value of n? This is the value of n. N means 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Here the n value is 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 by 2. Here the value of n is 3. 3 minus 1 by 2. 5 by 2. In this way we are writing the 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 in the position of first difference of सेंट्रल डिफरेंस का पहला कॉलम का जो वैल्यू होगा उसमें 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. हाउ टू राइट डाउन 1 by 2 and 5 by 2? As per the formula n minus 1 by 2. The central is representing the symmetric value of the table and the symmetric is represented by 2. Then y n by n minus 1 by 2. Now come to the second difference. Small delta square y is equal to small delta y 3 by 2 minus small delta y 1 by 2 is equal to delta square y. Where is the value of n? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 LCM. 3 minus 1. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Here the value is 1. Now come to the next value. Small delta square y2 is equal to small delta y 5 by 2 minus small delta y 3 by 2. Now come to the delta qy. Delta qy, the n value is 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. Is equal to delta square y 2 minus delta square y 1. Now these are the three difference table. One is the forward difference table, another one is the backward difference table, and the third one is the central difference table. In all these three tables, the value of these three tables remains same, only to change the operator. Forward is representing capital delta, backward is representing opposite delta, and the central difference is representing small delta. With the help of this notation, we are representing these three tables. Now, in the next class, I will discuss how to implement this table into the problem. In the next class, we will be discuss interpolation topic, how to solve these problem with the help of backward, forward and central difference. Now we are applying Newton forward difference interpolation formula for the forward difference, Newton backward difference interpolation formula for the backward, and central difference we are applying the Stirling central difference interpolation formula. In the next class we will be discuss these three topics for interpolation. Thank you very much.